Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So it is Saturday. I just went to the fabric store. That's going to be in a separate video, but right now we're going to go eat at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're still in North Carolina.
Are you still there? Hello? I am going to call your mommy.
It's cold. It's cold and rainy. Welcome to the vlog. Happy Sunday. Headed into church. Headed in.
Oh, I thought you said headed into.
Headed into church. The one with the stuff, the onions and peppers, because she likes onions.
One out of a heavy plate. So if you want a heavy one, get one out of the cabinet.
No, this is
Hi. Oh, I'm tired. Not chilly. So I made some country style ribs and then baked beans and potato salad. And then we got some sweet Hawaiian rolls to go with it. Oh, look at my hair. It's crazy. Hey guys. So it is 9:30ish, 9:24. I did get my Oh, I was like, why does it look like it's the They put a little sheet to separate. But this is 50 stabilizers. I use the medium cutaway from World of Widener. They're just my go-to, my favorite ones. I know some people, you know, it's all preference, whatever you like, whatever works for you. I've been using this one like forever, like, I don't know, 10 years or more. But I did something I never do, which is I napped. And I didn't nap for like very long, but I dozed off on the couch, which is kind of funny. But after we ate, so dinner was wonderful. Everyone enjoyed it, and it's just, I don't know. I just love having Sunday dinner. I just love that, you know, Sunday evening, start of a new week, you know, everybody comes over, we all eat, and then usually we, like, you know, after dinner, everyone sits in the living room and, like, watches something on TV, or, you know, I don't know. I just love it. And even, like, the whole vibe of Sunday has changed. Where it used to be, like, you know, everybody would kind of be off doing their own thing on Sunday. Like, I'd be down here, I'd be already, you know, working on stuff. And then by the time dinner rolls around, like dinner time, it's always like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna eat? We're gonna do takeout, you know, or it's like find yourself something, find your own meal kind of night, you know, like cereal, sandwiches, you know, whatever. Anyway, so I really love having just like a plan, like this is what we're gonna have for dinner, like, and this is what time we're gonna eat dinner, and this is what time I have to have dinner done by, and everybody will come over. And so this is the third Sunday, and like the kitchen was all clean, like it's clean right now, but like my husband cleaned up this morning. Actually, I think it was last night. He vacuumed and cleaned a lot yesterday. So and then we went to church. So when we come home, you know, everything was still clean. And then I cooked and we ate. And then after dinner, he always cleans up. So he got the dishes in the dishwasher going and everything wiped down, countertops, you know, stove, table. So it's just, I don't know, it's a totally different vibe now on Sunday. So anyway, what I was getting to is we were all watching TV, and then Papa and them left, and then I was continuing watching, you know, TV, and one of my I won't call her my favorite, but I just really used to love to watch Art and Bree. I know some of you might remember me even talking about Art and Bree, or even watching, because I know some of you had mentioned before about watching Art and Bree when she was having the twins and stuff. Anyway, so she just posted one of her first videos back. They haven't been on YouTube for over a year, and like, I can't tell you the story because I don't know the story. I just know, just from what I gather, that her husband, Art, is no longer in the picture. I mean, like, as far as, like, YouTube, and, you know, I guess he had some kind of mental breakdown, and they split up, so. They were restoring a farmhouse. You know, they have a lot of kids, 6 or 7, I don't remember how many it is, maybe 7, maybe they had 5 and then they had twins, or they had 4 and they had twins, I don't remember. Anyway, but she just posted a video. So I was laying on the couch watching that because I'm like, you know, I don't feel like going downstairs yet. I'm just gonna lay here for a little bit. So I was watching that. I got really sleepy. And I was like, normally, if I'm watching TV or something, I get sleepy or something. I'm like, ooh, I can't do this anymore because, you know, I don't have time to sleep, you know. I gotta work on orders. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. And I was like, I only have like 2 aprons that I have to embroider out today. I'm like, if I get them done tomorrow, then I get them done tomorrow. So, and it was nice. And I was like, you know, I'm just gonna close my eyes for a little bit. And then Journey's like, can I watch something else? I'm like, go ahead. So I passed out one way on the couch. So I was this way. And then she curled up and laid her head on that side. And I looked down and she's knocked out too. So, and she was still knocked out when I come down here. So anyway, so I took a little snooze. I won't say like, you know, a long snooze. It was probably, I don't know, 30-40 minutes at most. But I am going to embroider out a shirt. This is this order isn't supposed to go out until probably next week sometimes, like not like next week, like after next Sunday. But because I just made the same design but a different number, no, same number, different name, I just went ahead and plugged it in because I'm like, I might as well just do it. So I'm gonna stitch this one out. Like I said, I still have 2 aprons, but if I get them done tomorrow, it's fine. I just want to at least stitch something out today. And then I have the 3 here I did yesterday, so yeah. And tomorrow is Zumba. I'm so excited. Oh, I was gonna work on ribbon trims too. I have a lot. I have, I think, 8 ribbon trims I gotta get done. So I was gonna start on those tonight, but I never have, obviously. I'm probably not. I think I might just do this and then worry about ribbon trims like tomorrow afternoon, and then go to Zumba, and then after Zumba worry about embroidering and that kind of thing. So
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure.
hey guys, so this is what I've gotten done. It's after midnight. I ended up finishing one of these butterfly shirts, and then I made these 2 aprons. It's actually, they ordered 3 aprons, but I have to make the other one, and I'm not going to stay up and make it. They're not even due to ship out for a couple days. I do have the 2 other ones that I mentioned that are supposed to ship tomorrow. I just didn't make those because I'd have to switch my thread colors out. So because I already had the thread colors in to make those aprons, I just went ahead. I'm like, and plus they are like older. They were purchased on the 12th, so 10 days ago. Anyway, I had to order an apron off from Amazon because of the apron company sending me adult aprons. So, just getting my invoices for these orders so I can get them packaged up and shipped out. Okay, this person needs theirs by the 31st, and their ship date is the 27th. So I need to make sure I get that one worked on this week. Okay, one more invoice, and I believe I just printed it off. I did. That was the one that is scheduled to ship on the 31st, like in 10 days. So, but since I made this one, I went ahead and made it ordered the same number. So, and actually this is a repeat customer, so I am so thankful for those. I always put little stickers on my packages. This says, handmade with love, thank you. It's handmade with love, especially for you, thank you. I try to use up all my stickers before I order new ones, but there was a couple, I saw a couple different ones on Amazon, and I was like, oh, I really like these. Of course, I'm crazy about stickers. I've always been crazy about stickers. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog and head to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's Zumba day tomorrow. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.